All right, guys. Today I enter. Let me show you somewhere here, and I booked 1:6 somewhere here. So yesterday I collect 1:8. So today I collect 1:6. So let me show you what is the reason behind that, or why I enter here. So you just understand the logic behind it. Why we people are entering exactly before start running. Okay. So let me show you here. So what I told yesterday. So this is the seller territory from here to this level. This is the seller territory. So what I told that everything is sell off. All right. When we'll get the opportunity, so everything will sell off until this level. All right. So I think you remember. Let me show you here what is the reason behind it. So here I can see this is the 5-minute chart and a future chart, Bank Nifty future chart, and this month. And now you can see, sorry, price drastically fell and little bit pull back, and price open a gap up a little bit. Again, price drop, goes a little bit, and price sharp move. And after that, here you can see price not able to create higher high and break this trend line and pull back near V wave, and price drop from this area. Let me zoom in a small time frame how it look like that. Okay, so this is the 5-minute 2-minute chart. All right, 2-minute chart. Price open a gap up, pull back, goes a little bit, pull back. Price try to break this higher point but failed. And when I connect these 2 points, now you can see here, and the price drop and create a new low, and price sharp move up. Price rejection exactly I hit here, and price drop from this area drastically. So here you can see, if you not see in a larger time frame, like a bigger picture, the large player headed toward the downside, right? So that is why we are focusing on a short. Even if you not see like a daily time frame, there is a clear downtrend. All right. So now you can see here, this is a supporting line, and finally you can see when they break this supporting line, we have seen very strong momentum candle. All right, when they break this level. So here you can see yesterday candle, extremely strong momentum candle. So that is why we expecting that price will continue to the downside, right? So we don't know when price will reverse, but at least we can confirm that price will drop from this area at least to this level. Okay, so that is why we are looking for short. Now see, just a minute. Now see here, let me show you 5-minute chart. And the 5-minute chart, here you can see price not able to create higher high, and we have seen this is a rejection and pull back somewhere there. So we enter. So means price still below this V wave. So basically, when price up, let's say price